The KitchenAid Artisan comes with a warning in its own manual. Keep bread dough at speed 2. Push it harder and you can damage the machine. Serious bread bakers noticed. They're switching to the Bosch Universal Plus, a mixer that needs 6 loaves in one batch without breaking a sweat. And the price gap? Smaller than you'd think. The KitchenAid Artisan is the most recognized stand mixer in America, and at this price point, it's the default purchase for almost every new baker. But a growing number of serious home bakers are switching to the Bosch Universal Plus instead. So today we're settling which machine actually belongs on a serious baker's counter. Quick note, the links below are affiliate and they cost you nothing extra. Walk into any kitchen on Instagram and you'll see the same silhouette, that tilt-head Artisan in some carefully chosen color, sitting on the counter like a piece of furniture. KitchenAid has built one of the strongest brand stories in American kitchens, and the numbers back the popularity. We're talking over 22,000 verified reviews and a 4.8 average rating on Amazon. The Artisan has the iconic shape, more than 20 color options, and a hub system that bolts on a pasta roller, a meat grinder, or an ice cream attachment. For most buyers, that ecosystem and that aesthetic seal the decision before they ever look at a spec sheet. And honestly, the myth persists because for most of the people buying it, the Artisan is genuinely the right machine. If you bake cookies on weekends, whipped cream for a pie, or mashed potatoes for Sunday dinner, the 325-watt motor handles all of that without complaint. It looks beautiful on the counter, your mother probably had one, your favorite baking YouTuber definitely has one, and your friends will recognize it instantly. Brand recognition is real social proof, and there's nothing wrong with buying the popular pick when the popular pick fits your actual baking life. The trouble starts when your baking life outgrows what the machine was built for. And that's the pattern that keeps showing up in the verified review data. If you sort the Artisan reviews for terms like bread dough, burning smell, or walking across the counter, you find the same complaint repeating across years of ownership. The tilt head design has a head that lifts, which means every time the dough hook hits resistance, the whole top of the machine wants to torque upward and forward. Bakers working with stiff doughs, bagels, sourdough at lower hydration, brioche, anything past 3 or 4 cups of flour, report the mixer skating across the counter, the motor smelling hot, and the head locking mechanism loosening over time. KitchenAid's own manual lists a maximum near 8 or 9 cups of flour. But the real-world ceiling for happy ownership sits lower than that. The Artisan was never designed for heavy bread work, and the buyer reviews quietly confirm what the engineering already said. So the question isn't really which mixer looks best on the counter. The question is which mixer is still working 5 years from now, when you've gotten serious about bread. And once you ask it that way, the popular answer stops being the obvious answer. Because the machine that wins on aesthetics and the machine that wins on heavy dough are not the same machine. The Bosch Universal Plus is what serious bread bakers quietly switch to once the Artisan stops keeping up. It's been in production in some form since the 1950s, German-engineered, currently built in Slovenia. And it looks nothing like what you expect a stand mixer to look like. There's no tilt head and no off-center bowl. Instead, the motor sits in the base and drives a center column that comes up through the middle of a 6.5-quart bowl. The dough hook works around that column from the inside, which means the machine has zero torque trying to flip its own top off when it hits stiff dough. It's a completely different mechanical philosophy, built around bread first, everything else second. And this Amazon listing includes a Nutri-Mill dough hook extender bundle for serious flour work. The first place that philosophy shows up is capacity. The Artisan tops out near 8 cups of flour on a good day. The Bosch Universal Plus is rated for 15 cups of flour, which translates to roughly 6 loaves of bread in a single batch. For anyone who's tried to bake bread for a family of 5, or run a small home bakery, or do a holiday baking weekend where the rolls and the cinnamon swirl and the sandwich loaves all need to be done before lunch, that capacity gap is the entire ballgame. Verified reviewers on the Bosch listing repeatedly describe running double and triple batches of sourdough, full sheet pans of dinner rolls, and brioche dough that the Artisan would have stalled on. And because the motor is belt-driven and lives in the base rather than the head, none of that load translates into the head bobbing, counter-walking behavior that drives artisan owners to keep one hand on the machine while it runs. The second place this machine separates itself is the long-term ownership pattern. KitchenAid ships the Artisan with a 1-year limited warranty. Bosch backs the Universal Plus motor for 3 years. But the more interesting number is the one in the reviews. Owners describing 15, 20, even 30 years of daily use service on a single Bosch, often passing the machine down to a kid who's now baking with it. The belt-driven motor, the center column design, and the planetary arm are the same engineering choices commercial mixers use, scaled down for a countertop. And the attachment ecosystem rivals what KitchenAid is famous for. The Universal Plus accepts cookie paddles, wire whips, the dough hook, a meat grinder, a blender attachment, a slicer, an ice cream maker, and even a Nutri-Mill grain mill if you want to grind your own flour. The mixer becomes a single platform that absorbs jobs you'd otherwise buy 3 more appliances to handle. Now here's the honest pushback, because the Bosch isn't perfect and pretending otherwise would waste your time. The Universal Plus is not pretty. It doesn't come in 50 colors, it doesn't have the silhouette Instagram rewards, and side by side with an Artisan, it looks like a piece of laboratory equipment next to a piece of jewelry. The bowl is plastic rather than the polished stainless or ceramic KitchenAid owners are used to. The learning curve is real. The center column workflow is different. Attachments mount differently. And there are fewer YouTube tutorials walking you through your first loaf. None of those critiques are wrong. But none of them are disqualifying either, once you remember what you're actually buying this machine for. You're not buying a centerpiece, you're buying a tool that has to survive 15 years of stiff doughs without flinching. The plastic bowl is engineered for that load and lighter to lift full than a stainless one twice its size. The learning curve flattens inside the first 3 or 4 bakes, and the user community, while smaller than KitchenAid's, is dense with serious bakers who answer questions in real time. If aesthetics are the deciding factor, you were never the target buyer for this machine in the first place. So here's where it lands. If you bake cookies most weekends, whip the occasional batch of frosting, and want a mixer that looks like it belongs on the counter of a magazine kitchen, the KitchenAid Artisan is a genuinely great machine, and you should buy it without guilt. It earned those 22,000 reviews honestly. But if you bake bread seriously, multiple loaves a week, stiff doughs, big batches, the kind of baking where the mixer is a workhorse rather than a decoration, the Bosch Universal Plus is the machine that was actually built for your life. The question that decides it: are you a baker who happens to own a mixer or a cook who occasionally uses one? If this breakdown saved you from spending real money on the wrong mixer, hit subscribe. We publish one of these honest, no-fluff buyer breakdowns every week, and the next one will land in your feed before you've finished your next bake. Links to both mixers are in the description, including the Bosch Universal Plus bundle with the Nutri-Mill dough hook extender. Thanks for sticking through the whole thing.